Daniel didn't like loud places. He liked quiet ones, especially library. Every Saturday afternoon, he went to the city library. He would sit at the same table near the window, read history books, and drink hot chocolate from the small cafe downstairs. One Saturday, someone new sat at the table across from him. She was reading a book called How to Fall in Love. Daniel tried not to stare. But when she looked up, she smiled and said,
"Funny book title, right?"
Daniel smiled back.
Is it working?
She laughed.
"So far, no magic, just some advice."
I guess love doesn't follow books.
He said.
"I hope not."
She replied.
"That would be boring."
Her name was Mia. The next Saturday, Mia was there again. They started talking more. First for 5 minutes, then 10. Then they stayed at the table until the library closed. Daniel brought her a hot chocolate one day. She smiled and said,
"You remembered."
I remember everything.
He said quietly. Mia liked old stories. Daniel liked facts. But somehow, they made each other laugh. One day, it started raining. They walked outside under one small umbrella. It felt like a movie. But real. One Saturday, Mia didn't come. Daniel waited. The next week, he waited again. No Mia. He asked the librarian, but he didn't know Mia's last name. He didn't have her number. That evening, Daniel walked home feeling empty. He didn't know how much he had grown to care for her until she was gone. 3 weeks later, Daniel walked into the library and there she was. At their table, with 2 hot chocolates. He almost dropped his books.
Mia.
"I'm so sorry, I had to go home. My grandmother was sick, I couldn't get your number."
Daniel walked over, smiled, and took the hot chocolate.
I thought I lost you.
He said.
"You didn't."
She said softly.
"I came back."
You know,
He said.
maybe that book is working.
Mia laughed.
"Maybe you're the ending I didn't see coming."
End of the story. Thank you for watching.